one of the research topic of my PhD tenure, and the name is an efficient synthetic strategy for sp3-CN amination on 4-hydrogenone with primary heteroarylamide. Let us see introduction first. In introduction, let us see history first. CN coupling reaction in organic catalyst based on the transition metal catalyst were first initiated by an eminent scientist named Ullmann in 1903. In Ullmann coupling reaction, pre-functionalized substrate react with nucleophile containing nitrogen in presence of copper catalyst, base and heating give the product which contain CN bond formation product. Later on, development in Ullmann coupling reaction has been carried out by Buchwald Harding named scientist who has discovered the amination reaction based on pre-functionalized substrate reaction with nucleophile in presence of palladium catalyst, ligand, base and solvent to provide a product which contain carbon-nitrogen framework. Drawbacks of traditional coupling reaction. The major two drawbacks are there in traditional coupling reaction. One is we have to need pre-functionalized substrate.
Attention please. Attention please.
That means haloiron, tosylate, methylate like leaving group must be there in traditional cross-coupling reaction. Another drawback is that these bonds do not applicable for sp3 carbon framework to do amination reaction. Transition metal catalyzed sp3-CN bond formation is also possible by employing nitrogen insertion strategy. In nitrogen insertion strategy, one is to generate nitrogen precursor from azide precursor and react with particular CH bond to carry out CN bond formation reaction. Based on this, to avoid this drawback, we have developed a method in which we can normally and easily aminate sp3-CN bond formation by employing copper catalysis along with ligand base solvent in presence of oxygen balloon at oxygen atmosphere. To dissolve the goal, we have started very non-organic framework, that is INH, isonicotinic acid hydrazide or nicotinic acid hydrazide, on reaction with aryl aldehyde in presence of ethanol acetic acid at refluxing temperature to give Eve base first. The synthesized Eve base on reaction with thioglycolic acid in presence of toluene at refluxing temperature give 4-hydrogenone molecule. We had already modified this method by employing Dean-Stark apparatus to avoid water molecule formed azeotropically during the course of the reaction. Step 3 is the crucial step and the leading step for our desiring reaction, in which the slightly acidic CH bond was chosen for the functionalization with primary heteroarylamine in presence of copper catalyst, base solvent and O2 balloon to give the desired coupling reaction. Optimization of the reaction condition. To optimize the reaction condition, we have chosen this 1A and 2A as a model substrate and yield CA substrate. During the course of study, we have spent series of ligand, base, catalyst, and from the optimization study, it was concluded that copper iodide gives better yield in presence of along with 110 phenanthroline cesium carbonate as a base, 1,4-dioxane as a solvent. Also, we had carried out the palladium catalysis reaction. And we can conclude that palladium catalysis was not proper for the particular reaction. Proposed mechanism of this reaction, we have proposed two mechanistic pathways, in which first mechanistic pathway is copper 1 react with 4-hydrogenone motif in presence of base to give the intermediate A. Intermediate A upon oxidation reaction converted copper plus 1 again, which one later react with primary heteroarylamine to give intermediate C, which on reaction with base as well as simultaneously reaction with oxidant to give the desired product along with catalyst regenerated. These are synthesized derivative. During the course of research, we have synthesized this derivative. 1H NMR spectrum of this product particularly, and this is 13C spectrum of this molecule. Limitation of the research, presented research. This work is not applicable for the framework which contains halogen moiety. We have found the halogen molecule react with amine molecule instead of CH molecule. This strategy particularly liquefy slightly more acidic hydrogen to react. Conclusion: we have amine at sp3 carbon with nitrogen molecule. Regioselective approach, as we can see, there are pyridyl amido groups, but still we did not get any orthoarylisation product. Nitrogen free strategy, copper mediated tactic, and mild synthetic route. Excellent functional group problems. What next? What we are next going to do? We are planning to carry out HRMS study of the presented research uh, uh, and chiral chromatography study along with UV study and probability of proposed reaction mechanism for secondary amine. These are the reference for the presented research, and this is the acknowledgement. I would like to thankful my guide first, Dr. K.H. Chikalia and UGC MoMA for financial assistance, and later on last 104th Indian Science Congress and ST University to give me the opportunity to present my research work here. Thank you.